Ah, hey, it's our backup. Ah, hey, it's our
Great
backup.
timing, Corporal. Great timing, Corporal.
Ah,
We just
hey, it's
rigged
our
this door to
backup.
bust open. Great timing, Corporal. We just rigged this door to bust open and give those tangos in the subway a nice surprise. Yeah, but we're trying to think of a good one-liner to use when we do.
I was gonna go with knock knock, since we're knocking the door down.
Yeah, but I don't know. Seems a little lacking in substance. They're in a subway, right? We could use that.
True, but what about all aboard the Ass Kick Express?
I think the guy in the gas mask is looking at us weird.
Yeah, I think he's right. We should probably just do this thing.
Fire in the hole!
The paint train has no brake!
Good one.
I know, I just made that one up right now.
I've hacked a few computers like this before. Just give me a minute and I'll open up the shield wall.
Hey, how do you think the shield knows to let Combine in and keep other people out?
It just knows. I don't know. Combine text sensors? Maybe it's tagged to their suit.
I wonder if we could wear their armor and be allowed through.
Sure. If you want to get shot by our own side.
I guess. I bet you've got a few friendly fire stories by now, eh, Corporal?
Almost got it. One. One. Crack the code. Yeah, I am actually. It was just a randomized 12-digit password. Me too. Hey, did you ever see that creepy hobo with the glass eye? No idea. You think he's still around? Damn. Well, sir, unless that wrench of yours is rocket propelled, I think we're gonna need a plan. Awesome. Hey, we can hang back here and distract them while you sneak around and hit the switch. Show them the light at the end of the tunnel, both figuratively and, well, you get the idea. How's that sound, Corporal? I think he agrees. He's right. Let's not ruin this moment with words. Now we're in business. We have to hold here, sir. You can go on without us now that the road's clear. Just use that door over on the barrier there. Should get you on the right track. No pun intended. Best of luck, Corporal.